Actually, this one's a morning graphic. Let me show you the afternoon one. And so this is my graphic for today. And I said, well, I'm going to have a little more sunshine out there. It's going to start clearing out. I got temperatures in the low 50s and winds out of the northeast at 10 to 15, gusts to 20. So I actually had to change each part of those words. Had to change the background to make it look how I thought that the sky was going to look. And then actually you might be able to see these leaves moving across, showing, that there's blowing winds. So these are fall blowing leaves. We don't just forecast out one day. We forecast out 7 days. Yep. So this is a graphic I made this morning, 7-day forecast. Shows you the sky conditions expected for the day. Today I've got clearing skies for the symbol. Temperature 52, tomorrow 54, and then 60 on Saturday. So those are the high temperatures. And then we also have the low temperatures as well. So there's a lot of information in these graphics. And the way I change them, it doesn't pop up behind me, but remember I can see it. I hit this little green button on this remote, and I'm holding this remote the entire time, and it's just like playing a big video game, and I just change the graphic as I want. So watch this. I'll hit the button, and boom, it changes to the next graphic behind me. All right, so this is a national satellite radar map. It shows some snow up there in the north. It's cold enough for snow there, but it's not cold enough here. It's still pretty warm for that part. You guys want some snow.